Hi, this is Michelle Cromer. This is your Feng Shui tip and question of the week. Comes from Miriam. Michelle, I've never heard you say anything about house repairs. All of a sudden, everything in my house is breaking. Can Feng Shui help? Yes. Feel your pain. Miriam, same thing happened to me. In 1 month, I had a flood in my basement, had to replace the wall, had to replace pipes, my air conditioning went out, my refrigerator went out. I mean, what is going on? So I'll tell you the 3 things I did utilizing Feng Shui and Qi to get rid of the bad Qi in my house. First thing I did is I opened up all of the windows, and I made sure that I went around and looked through the windows and just thanked that old energy for leaving. The second thing I did is I took some sage, I lit it, and I went around the outside of my home 4 times. 4 is the number of foundations, and it's the number that can really settle the energy and bring in some protection and strength. And the third thing is I did is I got everyone in this room and we held hands and I made them close their eyes and really visualize all these repairs going out the window and all the abundance coming in. And I really blessed and was grateful for health, because oftentimes when something's wrong with your home that's breaking, then something in your own personal life is not well. It could be a relationship or your physical health. Hope that helps, Miriam. Good luck. Let me know what happens. This is Michelle Cromer. Please follow me on Michelle Cromer Feng Shui on Facebook or Michelle at michellekromer.com. Thanks.